What's up, YouTube? We about to show y'all how to change the battery on the Mercedes E550 remote gang. So first, we're gonna start by removing the key out the remote. Then you want to get your screwdriver, stick it in there. Believe it's on this side, straight ahead. Let me see, right there. And you just pop that cap. There go your battery. Dig him out of there. Come on, get out of there. And you put your new one in there. New one in there. I'll cover it. Right there. Alright, we good. That's how you change the battery on a Mercedes E550 remote gang. Mr. Random.